Hi everybody, welcome to this 10-minute Pilates video. Today is day 12 of 30-day ab challenge, you guys. Day 12. I'm going to give you super sculpt again. We're going to be tightening the abs, strengthening the abs. If you've been following me up to this point, your abs should be stronger. This is no equipment needed and beginner friendly, so we're only going to bring out our mats. And in 3, 2, 1, let's get into it. Alright, you guys, we have 45 seconds on the timer. My first movement will be lying flat on our backs. Our legs are going to be extended 90 degrees in the air, and we're just going to do some pulses. We're going to stretch our arms and we're going to reach to tap our ankles. We don't have to tap them completely, but just bringing those shoulder blades off of the mat. We don't have to go quickly, slow and controlled. We want to make sure we have that full contraction of the abs and exhalation. This is where the work is done. You guys can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. As you guys know, we like to have 10 to 15 second rest between each movement. This is superset, so we're going to do each movement twice. And here we go. If you find this movement too difficult for you, you can always bend those knees, but I have made this as beginner friendly as possible. So please guys, remember, the work that you put in will be rewarded. You got it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Right, and we're going to begin with our second movement, flutter kicks. We will have our palms placed comfortably beneath our bottoms, and we are just going to flutter kick. Remember, you guys, slow and controlled is the key. I want you to breathe deep. I want you to connect your mind to your muscles. Think about that lower abs. Think about your contracting your lower core and tightening it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Way to go. And again, we're going to do the flutter kicks. Point those toes. Keep your core nice and tight. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Now we're going to do some Russian twist. What I've done is came to a full seated position. I have my knees bent with my toes on the mat, and I'm turning fully to my left side and my right side. This is more of a modified version of Russian twist. If you'd like to challenge yourself, straighten those knees, and then you can lift your feet off of the mat. That's another way. Otherwise, just keep this pace in full. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest and breathe. And again, we're going to start 45 seconds on the timer. So here, my feet are elevated off of the floor, creating a little bit more tension. If you would like to keep them on the mat, that's up to you. But let's strive to challenge ourselves a little bit here, you guys. We can do this. Four, 3, 2, 1, rest. Deep exhale. Way to go. Now we're going to do side plank. Okay. So when we do a side plank, I want you to stagger the top leg over the bottom leg. Make sure you're balancing your weight properly on that forearm and your shoulder, and breathe in from your core. You should feel that oblique tightening. We're gonna rotate and switch to our opposite side now, halfway through the 45-second timer, and same process on the opposite side. And 2, 1, rest. Right, now we're going to do in and outs. And here we're just going to extend our legs out and bring our chest in just like a crunch. So knees bent in, chest pulled in, and then extend our legs out. We'll have our elbows propped behind us just for support. And we're gonna go slow and controlled. Four, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Now we're going to do in and outs, but this time I want you guys to lay completely on your back, and we're just going to extend our legs in towards our core and extend them back out. And we'll just make sure as our knees come in, we tap our ankles with our palm. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. And we're going to keep the same position lying flat on our mats, placing our palms behind our head for support with wide elbows. We're going to do single leg lowers, pointing our toes, extending left leg and then the right leg, making sure our shoulder blades are off the mat to keep the core in contraction. This is our last movement. We are going to deeply inhale and exhale. You got it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Fantastic, you guys. Thank you for finishing with me. I love you so very much. Alright, you guys, that's it for day 12. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the supersets and taking this nice and steady for you. If you would like to get the rest of the Pilates ab challenge, click the videos that come on each side of the screen. They're all here for you. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay consistent, be a part of the journey with me, and I will see you here tomorrow for day 13. And remember to keep posted and hit that notifications bell, because soon there will be a meal plan to help you burn that excess fat needed to actually get the slim waist. But until then, hope you guys stick with me for the rest of the 2 weeks of this. You got it. Have a beautiful day. Thank you for joining. Bye.